Hai lam sagon no kok borok ni tag and tan mani YouTube channel. Tini hai nong ne bai kaisa sikon sa update tui pheka sini Bubagra Pradyot Kishore mani ko Debbarma. Je buskang salo je second round te waisa kok salana bagai Tiprasa accord no tuyei Delhi wo abona tuyei media ne thani wo notice lap ni bising tui tamo kok Sakha abona tui sing tini saiman lai nai. Okay Bubagra o jaga sana thangmani hinke obo haise bono sungka je norokni je demand jeta Tiprasa accord jeta sign khlaijak mani te kaya second round je cholina tongmani abo je phai tongo je kok salani abo coming soon ga abo bupuru te waisa sengjak nai nei sini Bubagra sungpuru sini Bubagra Sakha je bwsakang 2025 bo eba 2025 bo aboni jeta round ba second round cholinai tei Manipurni je community rongno tuibo Bubagra Sakha ga phadi asuk lok layawi jeng o video no naina layana.
Very soon, by the end of this month, hopefully, we are seeing the second round of talks starting at New Delhi. So, what is the progress as of now? We know ADC is also will be a part of this. So, what are the main issues we are seeing? Are you also submitting some memorandum or writing your demands?
We have given our writings in, demands in writing. In our writing, we have asked for more seats in the assembly. From 20 to 25. We have also asked seats for the Manipuri community. We have asked for land rights to be given over to the ADC so that we can give pattas to our people who are landless. We have asked for rehabilitation of those families, whether they are indigenous people or Bengalis, who have been affected by insurgency in the 90s and the early 2000s. I think if we can give money to the NLFT, ATTF, we can give it to our Bru displaced people. Something should also be given to the people who have been affected by violence through insurgency. I think there are very few families, but if we can give something, it heals hearts. And that's very important. We have asked, I heard some people saying that we have given up a demand on Greater Tiprasa land. In my written memorandum, I've clearly said that we want Article 2 and 3 to be implemented. And also we have asked the government to consider Article 244A, which is similar to the demand of Karbi Anglong. I have never given up my demand. Why should I give up my demand of Greater Tiprasa land? We all know what is happening in Bangladesh, and I think the government of India needs to relook at Northeast from a strategic point of view. We need to look at Northeast from safeguarding the interests of the people of Northeast. And apart from that, there are many other demands. We've asked for aims, like hospital to be set up in ADC. We have asked for a tribal central university. We have asked for protection of our language under the 8th schedule, Kok Tiprasa, Kok Borok, Kaut Tiprasa, whatever it may be. Could be a Ranglong, Darlong language. It could be Chakma Mog language. We want our language to be accepted by the Government of India under the 8th Commission. Then we have asked for the immediate implementation of 125th Amendment. And we know that it is in the parliament, and we are pushing along with all the district council. I have been leading it from my personal side as well.
Ngamar kicin song dorok tini o video no nukai man khana nok nugi man khana nari chini Bubagra bo haino ereng tongya angno no Sakha Sakha bo Tiprasa rok ni bagai chini Tiprasa rok ni bagai chini uni jati rok ni bagai bo fight khlai tong awasimiya in Tiprasa no karibo chin Tipra hani joto kisimni joto jati no tuino bini kaisa kotor wanchuk mung gaboni bagai jeng buskang sala kotor khe Tiprasa accord ni te kaisa second round ni jeng khanai wano tewaisa bomahai brok ni jeta samung rok tamni ge jet first round ni jeta Tiprasa accord je sign khlaijak mani ge aboni a jagao je sign khlaijak mani bisingo borok a jaga NLFT ATTF brok bai borok milinai kaisa brok te accord unglaika ge abono tuibo je aboni demand bo tongo ge a demand rok busuk darotei agoi tong abo norok nugui tongo phiaba je Tiprasa accord je poilani je sign khlaijak mani aboni jeta demand ni je manthaibo truk manui no tongo gaboni bagai je Bubagra je demand no tui je accord sign khlaika abo haina magana thangya go o video no manchak noroni bayap tei noroni kiching song thaniwo tei noroni maru song thaniwo share khlairedi tei oba hai related video na tana mu chungi tongo hingkai kok borok ni tech entertainment YouTube channel no subscribe khlairedi hambai.